Hello, welcome to Draw with Pex. Today we're going to be drawing a kangaroo, the animal from down under. Our kangaroo is going to be flying a kite. So kangaroos are special, aren't they? Because they're so big. So what we're going to do is we're just going to get our shaping right, and we want our kangaroo to be here. I want his kite to be there. So if we just put in our kite, which is going to be a diamond, like so. So we're going to start off with over the mountain. There's 4 main types of kangaroos, guys, and the red ones are the biggest. And I didn't know this, but it's very obvious when you think about it, but kangaroos can't walk backwards. So we need to do 2 big eyes, and we're going to put his nose in, or her nose, shall I say, depending on if you want to do baby Joey in the tummy or not. So baby kangaroos are called Joeys. And do we know what mummy kangaroos are called? Or female kangaroos? They're called flyers. And daddy kangaroos are called boomers. Who knew? Who knew? So inside eye and a nice big smile. We like smiley animals, don't we? And they've got really, well, not really big ears, but they've got big floppy ears. So we're going to curve it up. Actually, make them pointy. So on that side, and then one on that side. And then the shapes don't have to be the same. And then we're going to do a curve coming round like so for that bit. And a curve coming over for that side of the ear, like that. And the kangaroo's neck, quite skinny. So if we just do a big maraca, that's going to be for the tummy. So a nice, well, I'll make it a little bit bigger. If you want to put the baby in there. Don't know if you want to put the baby in there. Right, so your tail can be whichever side you want it to be. So that's going to be the middle part of his tummy, and we're just going to, where the maraca is, we're going to curve it over, and that's basically the Joey pouch. We're going to do nice big feet on this side. So 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to do a foot on that side. So that's the out bit for tummy, and then 2 triangle, kind of a triangle for his foot on this side. So 1, 2, and 3, and that does not look the same, so we're just going to change it over. Okay, Baba? So knees up and quite big feet, and then his arm. So this arm is obviously holding his kite. So elbow, thumb, 1, 2, it's almost like sausages. So if we have the string going like that, that works out. And then on the other hand, what we'll do is we'll do a triangle. Then we have space for baby Joey. Okay, so we're going to do the same face shape that we did there, here. So a middle, and cheeks, and chin, like so. Little nose, maybe a little smile, eyes. And then his little fingers. Because that was what they do. Baby Joeys or baby kangaroos they actually only stay in the mummy's tummy for 33 days, and after 33 days they're actually there, but they stay in the pouch for up to 4 months, and it takes them 10 months before they actually leave the pouch. So that's how comfortable they feel. This is our kangaroo, guys, flying a kite. And then we can do whatever patterns you want on it. So if we want to do some bows or some tassels, your kite patterns, whatever you want. So that's our kangaroo flying a kite. And then with the same concept apply here. And this is our baby kangaroo. And no whiskers, kind of like bunnies. You can add some fur if you want to, so maybe little ones or a couple. Eyebrows, and if you want to chop off the and then the top of the eyes to make them into eyelashes, you can do that. Now it's just time to grab your outline pens. So if we grab our outline pens, we can start. Oh, we're forgetting one massive detail, guys, their tail. Okay, so that's the middle point. So imagine the tail's coming out there. It's got quite a long tail. I'm better off having it on the other side. Well, there you go, guys. 2 options for the tail. Which one looks better? I guess I'm only going to find out when I start outlining, so at least I've got space for them. We can't have 2 tails. This kangaroo does not have 2 tails, but it's your picture. I'm here for guidance. Let me know how you get on. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you want me to draw anything else, and let's grab our outline pens. Okay, so I'm going to start with his face. So we're going to start with the top part and then decide if you want to give him hair or not. I have decided to. Cheeks. Like my characters with cheeks. And then chin. Nose. Eyes. Eyebrows, eyelashes. And that looks the pupil. And then we're just going to do a slight line coming down, up, slight line going down, up, and then the middle of that, our M. And then we can do some tucky lines underneath, like so. Okay, now we're going to do the middle part of his pouch, like that, and then his arm. And then the other arm. Yeah, let's keep the stomach area empty. So 1. resting on his knee. Curve it slightly around. Oh, I wanted to do the fingers. Never mind. 2, 3. And that's our Joey pouch. I think because of the angle, I think I'm going to switch my tail. And then one, 2, 3, and then that's his big tail at the back. Like so, and then we're going to do his ears. And then our baby Joey. Two eyes, nose, ears, and there you have it. That's our kangaroo flying. What shape are you going to do your kite? And now we're nearly done. You just need to decide on the details of your, so there's our rope. And it's going to get lost behind his tail. I'm going to add some bows in there purely so we can got something colourful to add in to our kite. And there you have it, guys, our kangaroo flying a kite. Just missing that bit of his body. Oh, and some eyebrows. See, look, I always forget things when I'm outlining. Now it's time to grab your colours and colour in your kangaroo, your Joey and your kite. You can see I've added some more detail around the kite. And there we have it, our kangaroo flying a kite. Hope you enjoyed that. I sure did, especially drawing baby Joey. If you enjoyed the video, please do give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Let me know how you got on. I'd love to see your creations. You can always tag me in with hashtag drawwithpex, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Have a good day.